We're in Backup Exec 15. I'm going to show you how to restart the Backup Exec services. Sometimes those services get stuck. Now, there's a couple different ways you could do it. You could go into services itself, and it doesn't matter what version of Windows you're in, and just restart the Backup Exec services. But the problem is that you may not do them in the right order. And if you don't do them in the right order, then you could end up getting with a stuck service that may cause you to have to restart the computer. So the easiest way to restart the services without any issues is to click on the little icon in the upper left hand corner and go to Configuration and Settings, and then click on Backup Exec Services. And from here, sometimes you'll get this little prompt. Go ahead and click Yes. And you'll see several different options. You can start the services, stop, restart, edit credentials. Let's just go ahead and choose to restart all the services. And some things will go on in the background, maybe some pop-up messages saying it lost communication with the server, but that's okay. You can just ignore those. And also, you want to make sure that all these different services are listed as automatic. You don't want to have any of those services listed as manual or disabled. If they are, you can go into services and just go ahead and change them by double-clicking on them and changing them to automatic at that point. All right, so restarting the services speed-wise depends on the speed of your server. You can see here that we're still in the services are stopping at 71%. And sometimes this could take a few minutes. Sometimes it could take 20, 30 minutes. Just depends on what kind of resources you have. In our case, we have a pretty fast server here, so it shouldn't take more than about 2 minutes. And when it does, then we should be able to get right back into our Backup Exec program to make any further changes that we need to do. All right, it says Backup Exec services are all running, and we'll go ahead and click Close. And now we can reconnect. You may end up with an alert at the bottom saying, hey, the services were stopped, but that's okay. You can just ignore that. So that's how you restart the services in Backup Exec 15.